Does cracking your knuckles really cause arthritis? That loud pop isn't your bones breaking. It's gas exploding inside your joints, as loud as 83 decibels, about the sound of a diesel truck. Your joints are filled with synovial fluid, which contains dissolved gases like nitrogen. When you pull your fingers, pressure drops, bubbles form, and when they collapse, they release a shock wave. That's the cracking sound. And here's why you can't crack the same knuckle twice. It takes about 20 minutes for the gas to dissolve back into the fluid. So, does it cause arthritis? Surprisingly, no. A doctor cracked only one hand every day for 50 years and found no difference between them. But excessive cracking can cause swelling, weaker grip, or ligament strain if you pull too hard.